Ingredients: 2 cups cooked and shelled edamame beans, 1 cup diced cucumber, 1/2 cup diced red bell pepper, 1/4 cup finely chopped red onion, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro or parsley, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. For the dressing: 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon honey or another sweetener, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 clove garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Cook the edamame beans. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add the edamame beans, and cook for about 3–5 minutes or until they are tender. Drain and rinse the beans under cold water to stop the cooking process. 2. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, honey, grated ginger, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Adjust the seasoning to your taste preferences. 3. Combine the salad ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the cooked edamame beans, diced cucumber, diced red bell pepper, chopped red onion, and chopped cilantro or parsley. Toss with dressing. Pour the prepared dressing over the salad ingredients. Gently toss everything together to ensure that the dressing is evenly distributed. 5. Garnish. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over the top of the salad for added flavor and crunch. 6. Chill and serve. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the edamame salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together. Serve the salad chilled. Feel free to customize the salad by adding other ingredients such as shredded carrots, chopped avocado, or even cooked quinoa for extra texture and nutrients. Edamame salad is not only delicious but also packed with protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. It's a great option for a light and healthy meal, and it's versatile enough to be enjoyed on its own or as a side dish to complement a variety of main courses.